In this video, I will show you how to fix if Starfield is crashing on your Xbox Series X or S. So let's jump straight into it. Now, there's a few things I'm going to run through with you in order to try and fix this problem. The first thing you're going to want to do is check for any game updates. So to do this, you want to go to My Games and Apps, see all, and then Updates. From here, check if there are any updates available for Starfield and install them. After doing this, make sure to restart your console. So to do that, you want to press and hold the Xbox button on your controller, select Restart Console, and then Restart. So if that didn't work for you, the next thing you can try is clearing the cache. So you want to clear the cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing issues with Starfield. To do that, you want to power off your Xbox completely by holding down the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Once that's done, unplug the power cable from the back of the console, wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then plug the power cable back in and turn on your Xbox. After doing this, make sure to check for any system updates, so you want to make sure that your Xbox console is running the latest system update. To do that, what you want to do is press the Xbox button on your controller to open up the guide, navigate to Profile and System, then go to Settings, and then System, and then go to Updates. Now, if the update is available, select the Update Console to update your console. What you can also try is reinstalling the game, so reinstalling Starfield may fix any potential problems with corrupted files. To do that, go to My Games and Apps and then see all, select Starfield and then press the menu button on your controller and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, go to the Microsoft Store or your game library to reinstall Starfield. Also, you want to check your storage space, so you want to ensure you have enough storage space on your Xbox. To do this, go to Settings, then System, and then Storage Devices. Check if your storage is nearly full and free up space if needed. Also, make sure your console is receiving adequate ventilation. If your console is overheating, this can cause problems with games and cause games like Starfield to crash. So make sure to place your Xbox in a well-ventilated area, and also, of course, avoid placing the console in enclosed spaces or near heat sources. Now, you could also consider using an external cooling fan if you do play for extended periods. So if none of those steps did work for you, as a last resort, what you can try is performing a factory reset on your console. Just bear in mind that this will reset your console to factory settings, so make sure to back up your data before doing this. To do that, what you're going to want to do is go into your settings, then go into System and then Console Info, and you should see an option to reset your console. Now, the option you want to select is choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps to make sure you keep your installed games and apps whilst resetting the system. If after trying all these steps the problem still persists, what I would recommend trying is contacting Xbox Support or Bethesda Support. So you can do this by visiting the Xbox Support website or of course the Bethesda Support website for further assistance. However, by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issues with crashing with Starfield on your Xbox Series X or S. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.